of the product. Open the package, you will see the front panel part, back panel part, lock body, connecting plate, keys, installation accessory kit, guiding plate, graph paper and user manual, certification and warranty card. Check from what direction and how your door is opened. It is pushed from the left or right hand side or pulled from the left or right hand side. Rating Secure fingerprint door lock is compatible for any of these situations up to some adjustment. If our door is pushed open from the right hand side, so the handle of the front panel should point to the left. So we need to change the direction of the handle. Loosen the screw of the handle. Take out the handle and turn 180 degrees. Restore it and screw it in place. Same step for the back panel. Pull out the hooks on top and at the bottom of the lock. Push out the springboard reversing limited sheet, then push the springboard inside until it can be reversed and turn 180 degrees, then pull it out. Finally, restore the limited sheet. Loosen the directional screw and take it out with hexagon spanner and the accessories bag. Screw it from another side of the lock body in place. Directional screws shall always point to the inside, namely, it should face to the back panel part. G-type lock body, you need to first take down the guiding plate before you can reverse the springboard. Reversing method is the same as A-type. Place the lock body into the proper size slot of the door. Hook up the top hooks with relevant hooks in the door if there is any. Screw tight the 4 screws of the lock body. And insert the 2 big square bearings from both sides. Fix the connecting buoys to the front panel part and insert mechanical spring. Insert the small square bearings to the front panel part and adjust the penetration according to the thickness of the door. Screw it tight with the small spanner from the accessory bag. Pass the data line through the crossing hole. Insert the 2 big and small square bearings of the front panel to the corresponding holes of the lock body. Keep them tight. Place the connecting plate tight to the back door to connect it with the front panel and fix it with screws. Insert the springboard to the back panel. If the unlocking rotate sheet beyond the thickness of the door, then cut it short properly with a clipper. Remember to fix it before you cut. Recommend small cutting machine. Insert the rotate sheet and its square bearing to the corresponding holes of the lock body. After that, keep it tight to the door and fix it with the 4 screws. Drag out the data lines of the door lock body and front panel to the back panel. Connect the data lines of the lock body, front panel, and power to the corresponding slot. Sort out and push the redundant lines inside. Then install the battery compartment and screw it. Data lines connectors follow the rules of 4 cores to 4, 8 cores to 8. Observe the connectors' shape before you insert them. Check and confirm all things are okay. Then insert the battery cover and back knob. Cover in proper place. Congratulations, the whole installation completed.